Good morning to all. I am Pawan Kumar, grade 6, subject Maths, chapter 3, playing with numbers. Playing with numbers. Exercise 3.4. In this chapter, we will discuss about prime factor and common factor and then common multiple. Prime factor, common factor and common multiples. Already you know that the common factors and prime factors. What is meant by prime numbers? Prime numbers mean the number divided by 1 and itself. Listen here. Prime numbers means the number divided by 1 and itself.
Playing with numbers. In this module, at first we will introduce the
common factors. Factors that are common to two or more numbers are called common factors of those given numbers. Observe the following numbers. Here, 2 is the common factor of the numbers 78, 1870 and 266. Also, 3 is a common factor of the numbers in the first column, 5 is a common factor of the numbers in second column, and 7 is a common factor of the numbers in third column. In a similar way, 13, 17 and 19 are the common factors of the numbers in first, second and third row respectively. Let us see factors of some numbers. We see that 1, 2, 3 and 6 are the factors of 6, 18 and 30. Such factors are called common factors. We say 1, 2, 3 and 6 are the common factors of 6, 18 and 30. Common multiples. Multiples that are common to two or more numbers are called the common multiples of those given numbers. Let us see multiples of some numbers. We see that 8, 16 are the multiples of both 2 and 8. Such multiples are called common multiples. We say 8, 16 are the common multiples of 2 and 8.
Let us work out an example. Find the common multiples of 3, 6 and 9. First, let us write all the multiples of 3, 6 and 9. The multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9 and so on. The multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18 and so on. The multiples of 9 are 9, 18, 27 and so on. So common multiples of 3, 6 and 9 are 18, 36 and so on.
Some more divisibility rules.
Let us work out an example.
Some more divisibility rules. If a number is divisible by another number, then it is divisible by each of the factors of that number. If a number is divisible by two co-prime numbers, then it is divisible by their product also.
For example, 30 is divisible by 15, and the factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. Therefore, 30 is divisible by 1, 3, 5 and 15.
Prime factorization.
For example, 30 is divisible factors of 50 are 1, 3.
Some more divisibility rules. If a number is divisible by
Next one, exercise 3.4. Find the common factors. Find the common factors. Listen here, exercise 3.4. Find the common factors of 20 and 28. 20 and 28. First, we find the factors of 20. Factors of 20. Factors of 20 is 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and itself 20. This is all factors of 20. Listen here. Factors of 20 is equal to 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Next one. Factors of 28. Factors of 28 is equal to 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and itself 28. Listen here. Factors of 20 is equal to 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. And then factors of 28 is equal to 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. But you want to common factors of 20 and 28. 20 and 28. Listen here. 1, 1. So both are same. This is called the common factor. The next one 2, 2. The next one 4 and 4. Next one 5, 7, 10, 14, 20, 28. The sum are varied. So our common factor of 20 and 28 is equal to 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. This is a common factor of 20 and 28. The next one be 15 and 25. Here also we want to common factor. Common factor of 15 and 25. We want to common factor. First we find the factors. Factors of 15. Factors of 15 is equal to 1, 2 is a non-factor, so 3, 5 and itself 15. 1, 3, 5 and 15 is a factor of 15. The next one, factors of 25. 1, 5 and itself 25 and itself, that is a 25. Listen here. 1, 3, 5, 15, 1, 5, 25. Here both are common factor is 1 and 5. 1 and 5. So thus common factors of 15 and 25 is equal to 1, 5. 1, 5. 1 and 5 is the common factor of 15 and 25. The next one. Question number 2. Find the common factors of 4, 8 and 12. 4, 8 and 12. Here 3 values are having. The first one is 4 and the next one is 8. Then finally 12. 4, 8 and 12. We want to find the factors first. Factors of 4. Factors of 4 is 1, 2, 3 is not a factor. So 4. Fact is 1, 2, 4. And the next one, factors of 8. 1, 2, 4 and itself. 1, 2, 4 and itself. The next one, factors of 8. Factors of 12. 1, 2 and 3 is a factor of 12. So 3, 4 3s are 12. Next one 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next one 6. Then finally itself 12. Listen here. Factors of 4 is equal to 1, 2, 4. And then factors of 8 is equal to 1, 2, 4, 8. And then factors of 12 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and then itself. Finally, we find the common factors of 4, 8 and 12. 4, 8 and 12 is equal to, listen here, the common factor is 1 and the next one 2 with 4. So common factor is 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. The next one, B part. Next one, question number 3. Find the first 3 common multiples. Find the first 3 common multiples of 6 and 8. Already we know that multiples tables, 6 tables, 1 6 is 6, 2 6 are 12, 3 6 are 18, 4 6 are 24 and then etc. So multiples of 6. 1 6 6, 6, 2 6 are 12, 3 6 are 18, 4 6 are 24 and then 5 6 are 30, 6 6 are 36, 7 6 are 42, 8 6 are 48, 8 6 are 48. Then multiples of 8, 1 8 is 8, 2 8s are 16, 3 8s are 24, 4 8s are 32, 5 8s are 40, 6 8s are 48. Now we have 2 common multiples. The first one is 24 24 and then second one is 48 48, but we want to 3 common multiples. So next one, 6 table, 1 6 is 6, 2 6 are 12, 3 6 are 18, 4 6 are 24, 5 6 are 13, 6 6 are 36, 7 6 are 42, 8 6 are 48, 9 6 are 54, 10 6 are 60, 11 6 are 66 and then 12 6 are 72. 12 6 are 72. Question number 3. Find first 3 common multiples of 6 and 8. Multiples of 6 is equal to 1 6 is 6, 2 6 are 12, 3 6 are 18, 4 6 are 24, 5 6 are 30, 6 6 are 36, 7 6 are 42, and 8 6 are 48, 9 6 are 54, 10 into 6 60, 11 into 6 66, 12 into 6 72. Then etc. It is a multiples of 6. 6, 12, 8, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72 and then etc. The next one you want to multiples of 8. Multiples of 8. That means 8 table. 1 8 is 8. 2 8s are 16. 3 8s are 24. 4 8s are 32. 5 8s are 40. 6 8s are 48. 7 8s are 56. 8 8s are 64. 9 8s are 72. Then etc. It is a factors multiples of 8. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64 and 72. But we want to find first 3 common multiples. First 3 common multiples. Here common number is 24. Here also 24. And the next one 48. 48. Then finally third one 72. 72. These are all the common multiples of 6 and 8. Thus the common multiples of 6 and 8 is equal to 24, 48, and then third number is 72. So the answer is 24, 48 and 72. The next one, find first 3 common multiples. This also you want to find the common multiples. 3 common multiples. First 3 common multiples. 12 and 18. Your number is 12 and 18. First we find the multiples of 12. Multiples of 12. That means 12th table. 1 12 is 12. 2 into 12 24. 3 into 12 36. 4 into 12 48. 5 into 12 60. 6 into 12 72. 7 into 12 84. 8 into 12 96. 9 into 12 108. 9 into 12 108 and etc. Next we go to the multiples of 18. Multiples of 18. 1 18 is 18. 2 18s are 36. 3 18s are 54. 4 18s are 72. 5 18s are 90. 6 18s are 108. Then etc. Listen here. Multiples of 12 is equal to 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96 and 108. Then etc. And the next multiple of 18 is equal to 18, 36, 54, 72, 90 and 108. Then etc. You want to first 3 common multiples. First 3 common multiples. The first one is 36. First one is 36. First one is 36. And second one is number 72. The last one is 108. So first three common multiples. 36, 72 and 108. Thus the common multiples of 6, 12 and 18 is equal to 36, 72 and 108. Thus the common multiples of 12 and 18 is equal to 36, 72 and 108. The next one, question number 5. Which of the following numbers are co-prime? Co-prime means you want to only one common factor, that is 1. That means you have not common factor other than 1. Have not common factors other than 1. Factors of 18. First we write the factors of 18. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and itself 18. Listen here, factors of 18 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. The next one, factors of 35. Factors of 35 is equal to, one is the factors of 35, then 5 is the factors of 35, and then 7, then itself. 1, 5, 7 and itself. You want to common factors of 18 and 35. Listen here. The common factor is one only having. Thus common factors of 18 and 35 is equal to 1. Common factors of 18 and 35 is equal to 1. So it is a co-prime. 18 and 35 is a co-prime. Therefore, our solution is given number 18 and 35 is a co-prime. Because we have only one common factor, that is 1. We have not common factor other than 1. So 18 and 35 is a co-prime. The next one, we want to find the co-prime 50 and 37. 50 and 37. First we take the factors of 15. 1, 3, 5 and itself. 1, 3, 5 and itself. The next one, factors of 37. 1 and itself. Because the number 37 is a prime number. 37 is a prime number. Next one, thus the common factor of 50 and 37 is equal to 1. Common factors of 50 and 37 is equal to 1. The one number only having, so it is a co-prime. So it is a co-prime. Therefore, the given number 50 and 37 is a co-prime. The next one, C part, 30 and 415. Here also we want to co-prime. So factors of 30 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and itself. Listen here, factors of 30 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and itself. The next one, factors of 415. 1, 5 and then 83 and 415 only. So factors of 415 is equal to 1, 5, 83 and 415. Here common factor is 1 and 5. 1, 5. Listen here. Thus the common factors of 18 and 35 is equal to 1, 5. We have two numbers, that means 1, 5. So it is not a co-prime. Therefore, given number 18 and 415 is not a co-prime. It's not a co-prime. The next one, sixth one, a number is divisible by both 5 and 12. A number is divisible by both 5 and 12. By which other number will that number be always divisible? Listen here, multiple of 5. Multiples of 5. Multiples of 5. 1 5 is 5. 2 5s are 10. 3 5s are 15. 4 5s are 20. 5 5s are 25. 6 5s are 30. 7 5s are 35. 8 5s are 40. 9 5s are 45. 10 into 5 is equal to 50. 11 into 5 is equal to 55. And then 12 into 5 is equal to 60. And then etc. You want to common multiples. So multiples of 5 is equal to 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60 and then etc. The next we go to the multiples of 12. The multiples of 12, 12th table, 12, 24, 36, 48, 60. Listen here. Here common number is, common multiple is 60 only having. The common multiple is 5 and 12 is equal to 60. Which other number? The other number is 60. Is always divisible. The given number answer is always divisible. 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30 and itself 60. Listen here, a number divisible by both 5 and 12. So the common number is 60. Both are the common number is 60. Next you want to, which other number will that the number will be divisible? Always divisible. That means factor of, we want to factor of 60. Factor of 60 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30 and 60. The next one, sound one. Question number 7. A number is divisible by 12. By what other numbers will that number be divisible? Solution. A number which is divisible by 12 can be divided by the number 12 divided by 1 and the number 12 divided by 2 and the number 12 divided by 3, then 12 divided by 4, 12 divided by 6. And finally homework part, exercise and question number 2, C, D, question number 4, then finally question number 5, D, E, F. Question number 5, D, E, F. Thank you to all.